Right, this is the start. I'm doing a new sculpture and I'm just drawing it out on my CAD program, designing the drive and the gears that are going to run it all, and some of them are being 3D printed off, a few parts, and then you'll see as we go along it will come together. This is just a video of the first video of a few in this sculpture, and you'll have to wait and see what it is, because I'm not going to tell you until the end, but you'll probably work that out as we go on. That's one of the drive gears. There's going to be 10 of them in all. It's quite a big sculpture, this one. A lot of work. Just machining the bracket to hold the motor, and that's the main drive motor, and then I'm just pressing some bearings, and I made my own rails here, and I'm pushing the bearings in for
mini baby. Spray booth, take 3. Spray booth!
This is all the main drive, 10 of them. I'm just shoving the drive shaft in now, and that all runs on silicon bronze bearings on them 3D bearing housings that I printed out. That's the end of this video. That's part 1. That's all the mechanism done, ready for the top of the sculpture to go on. But look out for part 2 coming soon.